Hello, welcome back to CRAB.python. Today, we are going to be talking about gyros.
Well, today we'll be talking about the difference between tacos and gyros. So gyros are more of a Greek food with feta cheese.
Hold on.
But
I think we're talking about the wrong type of gyro. So here's a real big question for today. So let's say we're driving a Lego Mindstorm's EV3 robot. Well, sometimes he doesn't drive exactly straight. So how do we make the robot drive straight?
So, how do we make the robot drive straight?
So, as you probably didn't know from that last slide, we use a gyro sensor to make the robot drive straight. What it does is it can detect the angle, and then we can use that sensor to make sure the robot stays at 0 angle.
So, we use a gyro drive function in Python to make our robot drive really straight.
So we're going to show you how to code a gyro drive function. So to start out, we have our imports, and then we classify a robot. Okay. And so now we want to actually create the function. So we'll just call it the gyro drive. And then we want our parameters to be self. You can do speed, heading, and distance. So now that we have that, we want to get the robot to stop and reset. So what we want to do is to do self.robot.reset. Actually, we want to do stop first. And then once we do that, we can have the robot reset. So here the robot is going to stop and reset. Now we are going to make a variable, which will be the actual distance equals 0. Not 1, not 10, 100 million, none of those. It's just 0. So now we want to create a while loop. So while actual distance is less than distance, so distance right here is going to be the distance put here.
Yes, so the parameter distance will be there.
So now we're going to make a variable as adjusted angle, and it's going to equal the gyro's angle minus the heading that we put in. So now that we have this, we want a variable called correction to equal the adjusted angle times -10. So while the actual distance is going to be less than the distance, our correction is going to equal the adjusted angle times -10.
Mm-hmm.
And then we want to make the robot drive with the speed we entered here, and then the correction. Okay, so now we want to make the robot wait for a bit, and then now we want the actual distance to equal self.robot.distance. So what it is going to now equal the distance, the actual distance. And then finally, we can get the robot to stop. And there's our function.
Yay!
Thank you for watching this video of CRAB.python. If you enjoyed it, please hit that thumbs up down below and subscribe. See y'all later.
Bye.